What's up? I'm Gage Marshall. Hey, I'm fixing to teach you Free Bird by Lynard Skynard. It's not the whole song, it's just pretty much the beginning of it. What I was just playing pretty much. That's mostly all I know right of this minute. You start out in a basic G, which is index finger, 5th string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 6th string, 3rd fret, and your ring finger, 3rd fret of the 1st string. Okay, and then you move to a D chord. I'm not going to explain it no more because it's just too much work. But so far you have G, and D. Next one you go to E minor, which is this string right here and this string under it. Best play like that because you're going to play an E chord or E minor. It's simple. Okay, so start off from a G again. After you go from that E minor chord right there, switch down to an F, which is this string above it, and that string above that. That's simple. 1, 2, 3. Next chord is a C. Move these two fingers up one string. Keep this finger on the same string. And you're back to that D again. You don't go to a D on that second part. You go back to a D. I screwed up. I'm sorry. But that's all it is G, D, E minor, F, C, and D. Like I said, listen to the original song by Lynard Skynard and just play along with it and get your strum pattern down. As you can see, I'm having problems with my own strum pattern, but I'm sure it goes like this. Well, I hope I taught you something. I ain't the best guitar player in the world, but I'll teach you what I know. Thanks for watching.